Make sure that the phone is completely speck and dust free. You want it not to have any particles in there. And we're doing this demo video so our customers can see what goes into the work of putting in the Protection Pro film. And if you have done this yourself and bought a film at a store, you know very well how frustrating it is to later find out that you have a piece of dust in there. That's why it's best to leave it to an expert. As you can see, I'm wearing latex gloves. So just when you think that the phone is clean and has no dust particles in it, that's where you're wrong. So we use this light, and just as you can see, you see a little speck right there and another speck there. And again, you won't see that with the light off, right? Then with the light on, you see the speck. So we need to remove those specks of dust. Now our phone is 100% clean. And a disclaimer here, it's hard to do this if the phone that comes into us has scratches already, although it will help, but you're going to see the scratches. The reason I tried not to talk was because as you speak, and we've known this very well now with the issue with COVID, as you speak, little spit particles come out, and I noticed them on the phone. So that's why I didn't talk for the last couple seconds. And once you have it in there, you actually don't need the light anymore. What I like to do is spray it and just make sure it's centered. So we selected a case-friendly cut, and there's a reason for that. Obviously, if the customer's going to have a case on it, you want to make sure that it doesn't go all the way to the edge. And it's normal to see some milky residue on it. I say 24, 48 hours. But once it's exposed to the heat, sun, the elements, it will go away. Even if you see some bubbles, they will go away as well.